What's up everybody, Nate back with another video. I own a custom integration company, meaning I help people implement technology into their homes and businesses. If you're ever interested in hiring us for consultation on your project for your home or business, our contact information is in the description below. So this week's video, we have a fun one for you. I have a client that had a wall-mounted network setup, but they are renovating their entire basement and putting in a theater and a gym and an office. But unfortunately, where their network equipment is, there needs to be a wall there. So he called us to come in and remove and extend all of the lines to put in a dedicated rack for the distributed audio systems that he'll have, as well as all of the UBIQUITI equipment. This client already had a UDM Pro and a small 8-port switch from UBIQUITI. He has multiple switches throughout the house that were wired when it was originally built by someone else. So what we did was we extended all of the lines over. We installed a 24-port switch as well as a couple patch panels for him so that they were no longer direct connect. And those, he has a mixture of a bunch of different cameras around the property as well as access points. You'll also see us reset up his Sonance DSP amp that is handling his entire exterior audio zone, as well as we added in 4 new Sonos amps that will power all of the distributed audio in the basement during the renovation. As always, all the products that we talk about in the video or that you see in the video will be linked below, including the tools and the individual products that we actually install. I hope you enjoy the video. We'll see you next week.